Got me a little pulled pork sandwich, a little barbecue, some of that Baby Ray on there. All right now. Thank you, Lord. Damn. Well, somebody put the napkins in her backwards. Is it snowing? I thought we was done with that. I'm all ashy too. Look, your hand just dry. Child. Y'all, I'm proud of myself. I got 3 more days till I make a month. Hold on, y'all. 3 more days till I make a month. No reefers. I'm excited. I'm excited because last year it was damn near every week I was saying, I'm gonna stop, I'm gonna quit, I'm gonna stop, I'm gonna quit. And I finally quit, y'all. And I don't even have a desire to smoke. It feel good. I don't have a desire to smoke. And I was just thinking like, damn, I've been a consistent smoker, weed smoker, for a good 17 years, 17, 18, something like that. Child, and reefer hit me in the chokehold. So now it's like, quit smoking. Now let's incorporate some other shit. So, no reefers, no men. I can't bang, bang, bang. No bang, bang, banging. Eventually, I'm gonna cut off this bread and all the little junk food. But I'm taking my time, shit. I ain't gonna hold you. But bread can go for real. Because I really only eat bread at work. So. Bread, sweets, chips. And then just incorporate more veggies.
I did clean this room up a little bit, okay? I really did. Then I come back here and here's Ronnie sitting back
Man, that's just a mess back there.
Wait a minute, I told him, I said, we need to start sitting back here.
Girl, he wasn't sitting, he's sitting over.
He made it, yeah. Look. I cleaned all of this up and put the tables back together. I cleaned it. Look, and there's the trash. I swept the
That's all his mess. Like he missed his whole face.
I said, I know T ain't done this.
Hell no.
Yeah.
Shoot.
And he did it again. I ain't gonna be his Mr. Cleanup Mr. Shit, he got me fucked up.
He better call Big Shirley.
I want to know where all that shit was coming from.
Yeah.
It was bones and everything. And I cleaned off that table and I swept it and I left it right there for Dave to pick up. Now I see where it came from.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna do it no more.
Hell no.
We gonna have roaches back here and there, man.
Dog, he gonna be the reason we can't eat back here. Cause come on now, clean up after yourself.
I put the tables, put the chairs up under the table and everything, girl.
And then for him to be a damn dishwasher, bitch, you making all the mess.
Yeah, girl. I can't, and plus I can't eat back here with him anyway.
Hell no, I'm glad he take his break at one. He back here gargling and shit.
Come on now. Can't do that. Well, sis, I ain't gonna see you no more till Thursday.
Oh, yep, sure ain't.
Come on back up in here. Get my groceries.
Well, I don't know, cause you know I'm doing the deli on Thursday, so I'm strolling in here later.
Oh, at 1? Oh,
I might come in at 12.
You come in, I'll be ready.
You be down there gone. I might come in at 12, you know, do some extra shit.
Oh, okay, damn.
Yeah.
What the hell she gonna be doing?
That's her off days.
Oh, shit.
Wednesday and Thursday.
Oh, they did it like that.
Yep. But I'm like, what the fuck the white boy gonna be doing? Yeah.
Well, I'm tired of him. I ain't tired of him. I'm tired of talking about it. They keeping it in the family, okay?
Yeah. All right. That was my Judy, y'all. That's my good Judy. This was really good. I could have did it without the bread, for real. With a little tater salad, a little baked bean and a green bean. Sure did. This nigga, they should have banned motherfucking Facebook. Cause he be on that shit hard. Oh! Alright now. Do your dance, let me see.
No.
Let me see you do it. You ain't gonna do it? Man, we going viral, dog. Do the dance. Yeah, dog.
No.
I'ma catch you.
You gonna catch
I'ma catch you one day.
one day?
Uh-huh.
You doing it later? You gotta eat first.
Or you can throw all this shit up. I didn't even need the chips. Anyway, y'all, I ain't gonna hold you too long. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to your girl, and I'll catch you again on another one.